Go to the Illustrator, take any text as a reference. I'm using Font Mango Grotesque Extra Bold Italic. Make 2 copies to make longer text and then right-click on text and create outlines. Now go to Symbols, drag and drop the text into Symbols panel and click OK. Go to Rectangle and create a rectangle like this. Now go to Effect, 3D Materials, 3D Classic, Revolve Classic. Click on Map Art and make sure to check Invisible Geometry. And now I'm going to go to Symbol and click on New Symbol. We created, click on it, click on Scale to Fit and click OK. Here, all you need to arrange this cube. Also, I'll add some perspective value and I'm going to arrange it a little bit more and then click OK. Now press Ctrl-C to copy it and open Photoshop and then copy-paste it on the model here. I'm going to select Smart Objects. Now arrange its size and I want to hide that part of text. So duplicate the model image, click on it and go to Select Subject and mask it. Unhide the text layer then. Click Alt and click on Mask Layer, then click on Text and go to Select and click on Inverse and mask it. I'm going to select Brush Tool and make sure white color is on. Now I'm going to go in Brush here. This is going to bring back the text. Now duplicate the text layer. Uncheck the bottom text layer. Activate the color overlay first. Change its color to yellow, click OK. And then go to the outer glow, activate it, and change its color to yellow. Click OK. Blend mode gonna be linear. Dodge, decrease opacity to 25. Increase the size, nice and high, and spread is gonna be 0. I also gonna activate the drop shadow, change color to yellow again. Click OK in blend mode. Gonna knee normal, decrease the opacity to 30. Distance is gonna be 0 and size will be maximum. Now I unhide the drop shadow effect. Then for better understand, I select the main text picture layer and change the layer name to text. It will help me to find real picture layer. I also gonna activate the drop shadow, change color to yellow again. Click OK in blend mode, gonna knee normal, decrease the opacity to 41, distance is gonna be 17 and size will be 92. As you can see, shadow is all over the place, which is not looking good. So right-click and convert the layer to Smart Objects and then mask it. Now select the brush and make sure black color is on. Now delete the shadow from edges, something like this. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video.